first I'm going to use this shade as my crease color. Crease color I'm going to use is this shade, like this shade. So I'm going to use this color. I'm going to mix these two. Darker shade I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to mix these two shades and going to apply it over here. And take it above to the crease line. And now I'm going to take the black color and going to mix both the shades. So this is the color intensity that you need. The more pigmented shades you have, you will get the flawless eye makeup then. Okay, so you have to buy good eyeshadows. So this is one of the best eyeshadows and it is quite affordable as well, so you can definitely check this one. Okay, burnt color on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to use these two colors, like this one and this one, going to smudge it on my lower lash line with the same burnt orange color. This eye makeup always suits to the party makeup and engagement makeup, and you can definitely use this makeup on bridals, but mainly it will look good on party makeup. Okay, and that engagement makeup, it will look stunning. And now I'm going to use the shimmer from this palette. I'm going to use this shade. Look at that color, it is with very stunning palette. Love that. And again I'm going to use this Mars blending brush. This is their E03 brush. I'm going to blend out the edges of this shimmer shade. And now I'm going to take the black color and smudge that. And next I'm going to use this Faces Canada burgundy pencil on my lower lash, on my waterline. And now I'm going to apply some glitters. I'm going to use this glitter. So now I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics mascara. This is one of my favorite and affordable mascara, so you can definitely check this one. It is really the best. So this is the final finished look. I hope you like it. Be sure to like, subscribe and share, and if you want to learn this makeup, then please keep on watching, but make sure to like, subscribe and share. And I love this eye makeup so much. This is the most common and convenient look for, you know, engagement, for parties, and you know, you can definitely carry this makeup look with any of your outfits. Like, it will look stunning, and you can definitely switch up the colors as according to your own preference. Okay, and yeah, this makeup is looking also stunning. It is good for your night parties, for bridals, and yeah, and this is also good for bridals as well. If your bride need very sexy makeup look, you can definitely do this makeup. Okay, and it is stunning. It is really stunning. So if you want to learn more and more stunning makeup looks, so you can definitely follow me here, and you can definitely follow me and let me know into the comment box, did you like this makeup look? And if you want me to create more and more makeup looks, then please keep on watching. And you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and till then, take care.